everyone, it's Patrick Star. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I am revealing my biggest surprise yet. I'm proud to present my very own makeup brand. One Size.
Makeup is a one-size-fits-all.
Makeup is one size fits all.
Makeup is one size fits all. One size.
One size.
One size.
Makeup is one size fits all.
Makeup is a one size fits all. Another beauty brand? You damn right. Oh my God! Oh, I broke a nail. I'll be right back.
Get my fucking glue.
Oh my gosh! There's so many emotions. I am shocked. I can't believe that I'm telling you guys this. First of all, let's just watch that again. Let's watch that. Let's watch it. Oh my
Makeup
gosh.
is a one-size-fits-all.
You guys have been a part of this. One size. I am so gagged. Oh my gosh. Makeup is a one size fits all. Pull it, bitch. Oh my God. Another beauty brand? You damn right. You damn right. Oh my gosh. You guys have no idea. I feel so liberated to finally get to share this with you guys. You guys probably have so many questions. Why one size? Why me? Why this? Why another beauty brand? Well, you damn right. You damn right. It's me. It's Patrick Star. I had to be so extra and just, you guys have no idea how much work has gone into this. I have been working on this for the past 2.5, almost 3 years now. And it's such a journey. It is huge. If you guys could not already tell by the giant white and black stripes in the back, shout out to Sephora. We are going to be in every single store in Sephora, in the US, in Canada. What a big freaking deal. I am going big, you guys. I'm so excited and so blessed because of all of you. As you guys have seen, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I believe that makeup is a one size fits all, and it's how I've opened so many of my videos, and I've been saying that for years. Makeup is a one size fits all because as a plus size brown bald gay man myself, and I just didn't have anything that would make me feel confident other than makeup. I really believe that makeup is for everyone. It's a form of expression. It's a form of identity. It's how I've been able to connect with all of you over the years. And at the end of the day, it was such an easy choice for me to name the brand One Size, to honor that mantra and to continue to share that inclusive message with all of you and the entire world. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm like shaking. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. You damn right. Oh my God, you guys, also with One Size, or you can also call it OS. I think it's kind of cool. You can call it OS or like One Size. But makeup is a one size fits all, which is our tagline, my tagline, that I trademark. Poo. It's just so crazy because I was shopping in a mall and there was no plus size clothes. I was so frustrated. I was also low-key embarrassed because I was like, damn, I'm thick, but facts are facts, America. There was a Sephora right around the corner, and literally I said to me, you know what, I'm gonna go into Sephora. Which is why this is so crazy that this is happening, because there was a Sephora and I said, you know what, I can't buy makeup because makeup is a one size fits all, and that was like my happy place. That's what I felt like I could really invest in, and that's why I'm such a beauty lover and a connoisseur and obsessor and now a founder, which is just so crazy. Oh, and also I tweeted it really quick. That was my way of kind of ghetto trademarking back then, because you know I was kind of like the first, and it's been with me ever since. But also this brand is a love letter to all of you, all of my fans, the unseen and the unheard, and there is no other brand like this in Sephora. And I do know there is a lot of pressure when it comes to owning a brand and being a founder, and I want this to be an open dialogue for you and me as the founder to create the best products possible. I'm so incredibly excited for you guys to see everything that I'm coming out with. I'm so proud. So like I said, this love letter OS, one size, is a love letter to all of you, and in that letter is a product promise. And each and every one of those products, I've really thought of beautiful ingredients and products that are super versatile and that's easy to use. And I really want kick-ass, high-performance products. And you know, with OS, I'm taking pretty much, I mean, we've seen it all, makeup essentials, and just elevating it the Patrick Star freaking way. Period. Y'all know I had to come through with the quality. And you know, it's not just about the makeup. I'm elevating the packaging, I'm elevating the messaging, and this is my time to really put everything in my head and under this turban into life. And I'm so excited to show you guys everything I have in store. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get into product. The moment you all have been waiting for. I'd love to present to you my Go Off collection. Guys, this is my Go Off makeup removers. These are the ultimate makeup removers called Go Off. So right here you have the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist and the Go Off Juiciest Face Wipes. Guys, these are so sickening together and also separately. But before I get into it in detail, I do want to tell you guys a little bit of a story. So once upon a time, I worked at a makeup counter and I was just doing my thing, and I was called and summoned by a manager that had asked me to remove my makeup. And ever since that day, it was such a sad day, and I remember it like it was yesterday. And that day I vowed to myself to make a difference with what I do as a lover of makeup, as a person on this earth, to have a sense of purpose and a reason for being. And it leads us here to YouTube and this brand, One Size Today. And that moment in my life inspired this collection, Go Off Makeup Remover. So I'm truly in love with this. It's so different than what you may think an influencer might launch as their first product. And you know, I have done collaborations before and it's all been with color, but I wanted to come out with something super different, something that is unique to me and personal to me that I truly love. When I tell you guys this is the shit, this is so freaking good. Guys, it's Patrick Star. Like, this is, I'm not going unnoticed. This is it, and we literally went off. So let's get into some detail.
You damn right.
All right, guys, so I'd love to present to you the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. This is a continuous, not setting spray. Do not get it twisted, sister. This is a makeup removing spray. It literally melts your makeup on contact. It's a beautiful chrome finish. I wanted it super loud because, you know, when I was working, you know, in makeup and in retail, people would come and be like, oh, I don't remove my makeup. This is my mascara from yesterday, blah, blah, blah. And I'll be like, girl. And I do know some friends that sleep in their makeup. You know who you are. Also, I haven't talked about the color red. Like, why red? Red is the color of love. Red means passion. Red is bold. It's the first color of the damn rainbow. And I love red. Ever since I was a little kid, I wanted to be the Red Ranger, so hence the color red. This mist is literally everything. It dissolves your makeup on contact. It's a beautiful continuous mist. And it smells so good. It smells like green tea, cucumber, and there are beautiful rose hips and jojoba oils in this that literally dissolve your makeup. You guys are probably wondering how much it is. This is $24 US and $30 Canadian, and it is literally so gorgeous. Let me just read what I put on the back. It says, an epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact, infused with calming jojoba, brightening rose hip oils. It's removed without leaving the skin feeling tight or dry. It's also water-free and creates a no drip, super slick surface. Guys, I literally, if you guys don't even want to hear this video, it is on the back. It is literally so yummy, so delicious, and I honestly love it so, so much. And if you guys are wondering how much to actually use, I know some people wear makeup more than others.
You damn right.
My recommendation for guide is to spray an O and then an S, like the brand, and then if you a little bit extra, a little bit of a slash, but essentially evenly apply a coat on your whole makeup face and then proceed with the wipes. But I hope you guys try this. I think it's essential in removing your makeup. It actually allows your makeup wipe, the juiciest makeup wipe, to actually glide off of the skin and remove your makeup gently, because the last thing you want to do is just tug and pull the eye, premature aging and tugging, which is what I hate. But this is why I came out with something like this, and it is super slippery, but it doesn't drip. And I know all of my drag queens are going to freaking love this. Do not sabotage a bitch at a pageant and present this as a setting spray. Please do not. That is a big do not do. I hope you guys try it. It'll be available in Sephora on July 17 online at midnight. Check it out. And also at onesizebeauty.com. What the f? Wow. Oh, it's also cruelty-free and vegan. Peter wanted me to add. It really is. All right, guys, so on to the next product, SKU number 2 of the brand. So exciting. I would love to introduce you guys to the One Size Go Off Juiciest Makeup Removing Wipes. You guys, look how gorgeous, red, and beautiful. I wanted to create an experience for you guys at home when you guys get home for maybe a late night out to remove your makeup. Do not forget to remove it. That's how we get breakouts. That's how we get like bad skin. Removing your makeup is so important to me. That's why I wanted to start off with this Go Off collection. Let me tell you, there are 21 wipes in here. There are $15 US and $20 Canadian, and they are so thick, XL, juicy. Oh, and they're also vegan and cruelty free. But because they're so big, thick, and juicy, there is a double closure here. And I'm tired of using so many wipes. I was wasting so much money on wipe after wipe after wipe. And most of them, the ones in the market, no shade, no shade, no shade, all shade.
You damn right.
They are dry, they are scratchy, they would break me out, they wouldn't remove my makeup. And a lot of the times, now I would kind of forget to kind of like close them. And so that's why I created this beautiful seal here. Look at this beautiful sticker, guys. We had so many rounds of this damn sticker right here. Guys, the little things, the little things. So there's a little snap, and also there's a beautiful sticker right here to seal all of that juice on the inside. This is a brand new bag, and it is actually so large. When I tell you pull it out and compare it to your normal makeup wipe, it is literally so large. Let me show you. This is a freaking party trick, okay? You know, like the magician that just pulls and pulls. This is what one wipe looks like, okay? This is so... Damn, goddamn, size matters, bitch. Yes, yes, yeah, One Size, we love them big. We love them thick, we love them juicy.
You damn right.
Guys, look at this wipe, okay? This is the One Size wipe, and it literally, I made it so it covers my whole face. About 8 inches. And front and back, so good. When you guys get the chance to feel this, it is so soft, it's so plush. And my definition of juicy is not that it's sopping wet and it wrings out. That's the point of the spray. So you could spray it, you can even spray on the wipe if you just want to get gently around the eyes. Eye makeup for me is so hard to remove, but the last thing I want is more under bags, more premature wrinkles because of us like going really heavy. I'm so excited for, especially for all the queens to try this, because I know you guys wear the glue sticks and the sprays and the cakes and everything, and this would literally get it off, especially with the spray. And plus, for me, the reason why I like the spray, I'm kind of jumping back and forth, is that I don't want my hands to be messy. So those bombs and things kind of like get in the way, cloud the eye. This literally is eye safe. It's contact lens safe. I love it so much, and I hope you guys get the chance to try it. And also, guys, it's the same scent as the spray, and I love it so much. Did I say that it's cruelty-free and vegan? Okay, guys, so just for size comparison, I have your average wipe right here, and then you have the One Size wipe. Look at this. I think this is like literally double the size. I don't know if you could tell, this is more see-through. You can kind of see through, and then this one is more opaque, which makes it so plush, so soft. So it retains more of the juice, so you may not get the whole ring out of juices, but it's completely coated in the wipe, and it really removes all the makeup, and I love it so much. Guys, when I tell you I was challenging the laboratories to make it more juicy, I said more juice, more juice, more juice, and so, you know, our trademarked claim, you know, because it's all about claims, you know, up in this business, is that our wipes are juicier than most leading wipes. I think that's how it goes in the legalities of it all.
You damn right.
Definitely check it out in Sephora and at onesizebeauty.com and go off. Y'all, I know instead of talking about it, you want me to be about it. So I think it's only appropriate to show you guys how to remove your makeup with Go Off. Oh, and by the way, look at this. It's a part of my display. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take off my lashes. Do you feel my drift? Okay, guys, I'm so excited to show this to you. There's even a red little nozzle. Smells so good. So what I'm gonna do is just literally, as you remove your lashes and your contacts and what have you, and you ready for bed, go ahead and take your mist. I did a little bit of an O, a little bit of an extra O, and then I'll do a little bit of an S. And get your under chin right there. And then do the little bit of a slash. And that is pretty much what you guys need. You know, as you guys get undressed, slip into something a little comfortable, maybe a little bit of a moo-moo. Let this soak in a little bit and you will start to feel your makeup slipping and sliding. It literally, this is glass skin. I mean, if you ever seen one. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the Go Off full size wipes. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut it because I only need one. And I will show you guys. This is it. So after soaking in, I like to start with my lips. One swipe, watch. Y'all, that is sickening. Watch the eyes. Magic, no cuts here. We're not an edited apology video, you guys. Here. Bitch. Now, the other eye, watch, okay? Really, really efficiently and quickly. Guys, not bad. There's still a little bit of liner mascara, but watch. For my first pass, I'll use one side of the wipe. Look how easy that is gliding this off. And I love how on my channel over the years, I've been able to be vulnerable with you and show you guys the real me.
This is real. This is me. Okay. Oh.
Guys, removed everything. And what I'm gonna do, just for my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and just do one little spray. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the back side and then I'm gonna go ahead and just run it across the lashes. And you can even spray it on the wipe too. I should have come up with my brand sooner, guys. Look at this freaking face. Yeah, we is clean. Guys, look at all of the gunk and the cake on this wipe. Yes, ma'am. It is all removed. So easy. Oh, also a quick little tip. If you guys don't want to use your wipe or if you guys have nails and you want to get really into the lashes for the lash glue, spray your Q-tip, right? And just gently just rub over the lash line and it will literally remove any glue and excess liner, stubborn liner between your lashes and on the lash line. Such a cute little trick. Y'all, this is the most iconic duo ever. I hope you guys love it. Please, please, please check it out. It's gonna be exclusively available. The One Size Go Off collection at Sephora, online, and in store. I'm so excited. And also at onesizebeauty.com, available this Friday, July 17th at 12 a.m. So, you know, put your alarm clocks and spread the word so we can all go off together. And if you guys want to find out about more launches to come, because, you know, this is not the only drop this year.
You damn right.
Please join our One Size email list at our website to be the first to know about everything One Size. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to check out my products. Thank you for supporting me over the years. I love you so much. Don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye. That means you're gonna have a display of Sephora. Last thing I want is to get my custom cruelty-free lashes with makeup remover.